Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. How are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Language Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Education School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English second paper class for class 7 students. My dear learners, congratulations, you have promoted to class 7. So I will take your English second paper class in class 7. So let's see our today's topic. Class 7, subject second paper, term hardly, topic changing tense. Lecture 1, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, messenger ID, and today's date. Okay, my dear learners. So let's start our today's class. So today's topic changing tense of real exam, lecture 1. So you know tense is very important because if you do not learn tense, well, you will not understand any grammar in English. So for better understanding, you must learn tense first. Okay. So change the following sentences as directed. She's calling me. This is present continuous tense. We have to make it past continuous tense. So what we will do? So we'll take subject first, subject, and past continuous tense structure. After subject comes was or were. So as she is given here, the subject was will come. She was, and then verb plus ing. So calling, she was calling, and me will remain the same. Okay, number 2. Jahar madam is telling a story. You have to make it present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense, what comes? Subject comes first. Subject, Jahar madam. This is our subject. And after subject, what will come in present perfect tense? Have or has. So if the subject is third person singular, we have to put has. Okay? And if the subject is plural, we use have. So Jahar madam has. After has, we have to put past participle of main verb. So tell is the main verb. So tell, told. Past participle of main verb. And then extension or object. Jahar madam has told a story. This is present perfect tense. Number 3. The teacher has advised us. We have to make it future indefinite tense. So this is present perfect tense. We have to make it future indefinite tense. So in future indefinite tense, what comes first? Subject. So the teacher is the subject here. After subject, we have to put shall or will. So in this case, we have to put will. After I, we use shall. Where people say that shall dies nowadays. We don't use shall. So the teacher will. After will, we have to put base form of the verb, present form of the verb. Okay, so advise the past form. Its base form is advise. The teacher will advise, and then object. The teacher will advise us. Future indefinite tense. Number 4. I have lost my words. You have to make it present indefinite tense. So it is a structure of present indefinite tense. After subject, base form of the main verb, present form of the main verb. You have to use in present indefinite tense. After subject, what will come? The base form of the main verb. This is the main verb, this is the auxiliary verb. So present indefinite tense, we put base form of the main verb. So lost is the present form. I lost my words. Okay. I lost my words. Present indefinite tense. Number 5. I see a bird. This is present indefinite tense. We have to make it past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense, what comes first? Subject. After subject, we have to put had. I had. And after had, what will happen? We have to put past participle of main verb. So see is the main verb. See, saw, seen. So I have seen a bird. Okay. So we kill a tiger, past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense, what comes first? Subject. After subject, we use was or were. So after we have to put were. We is plural. So we were after where you have to put main verb. Kill is the main verb there, and you have to put ing. You have to add ing after the main verb. We were killing a tiger. Okay? Number 7. Mother cooks rice. You have to make it future continuous tense. So, in future continuous tense, what comes first? Subject. After subject, we have to use shall be or will be. We will use here will be because after I we use shall. So mother will be, and the main verb we have to add ing after the main verb. So mother will be cooking rice. Number 8. They make a stage past indefinite tense. So in past indefinite tense, what comes first? Subject. After subject, what comes? Past form or main verb. So past form of make is made. They made a stage. Number 9. They draw a bird. Present perfect tense. This is present indefinite tense. You have to make it present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense, what comes first? Subject. After subject, we have to use have or has. As there is a third person plural number, we have to use have. After have, we have to use past participle of main verb. So draw is the main verb. Draw, drew, drawn. So we have to write drawn a bird. Okay. Number 10. We help the poor. Present continuous tense. This is present indefinite tense. We have to make it present continuous tense. So in present continuous tense, what comes first? The subject. After subject, we have to put am is are. After we have to put are, and then ing, and then main verb comes help, and we have to add ing after the main verb. So we are helping the poor. Okay, my dear students. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay warm. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.